Good morning students. Today we will start the first chapter of our Flamingo book, and the name of the chapter is The Last Lesson, written by Alphonse Daudet. Alphonse Daudet is famous for his short stories and he is a French writer. So the story is set around 1870-71 when there was war between Prussia and France. And Prussia defeated the France, and two districts of France, Alsace and Lorraine, passed into the hands of Prussia. And I want to tell you, Prussia is the old name of Germany, right? Germany is the new name of Prussia. And when the two districts of France, Alsace and Lorraine, came into the hand of Prussia, then there was order from Prussia that French language will not be taught in these districts, means only German language will be taught. So the main characters of the story is Franz, who is a student, and the second main character is M. Hamel, who is the teacher of French language. So when there was order from Prussia that French language will not be taught in these districts, Franz, Mr. M. Hamel and the other people of the village get upset because now they don't have opportunity to learn French language. So Mr. M. Hamel in his last class, in his last lesson, wants to teach each and everything related to French language, and friends, his co-mates and other people of these districts wants to learn each and everything related to French language. So the whole scenario revolves around the last class, the last lesson. So that's why the name of the chapter has been set The Last Lesson. Basically, this is the last lesson of French language. So if we talk about the message or theme of the chapter, so the first message is impact of war over common people. Means there is pain in the hearts of the people who live in these districts because now they don't have the right to learn French language. So feel we are Hindustanis and someone get our right that we can't learn Hindi language, how will we feel? So same pain they feel because there is order from the Prussia that French language will not be taught in these districts. So second message is human mentality to linger on their work, means it is the mentality of human beings that will linger on our work. We say there is plenty of time, there is lot of time, we will do it tomorrow, we will do it day after tomorrow, but nobody knows when the doomsday will come. So it is a great message that we get from this chapter, that we should not linger on our work, we should not linger on our studies. So same is happened to Franz also. He didn't give any attention to his studies, and in his last class, now it is the last class of French language, and he even doesn't know the basics of French language. So now he regrets, now he realizes, right? So this is the good message, and we should learn from this chapter that we should not linger on our work. And in our next class, we will learn the chapter and I will explain the chapter in detail. Thank you.